Hello, sir. Pleased to meet you. What's your name, please?
My name is Onias Mupumha.
Okay. And you are a sculptor?
Yeah, I am a sculptor. I was carving some flowers to show the people how good is the environment, the nature,
Okay.
and the good of the beautiful of the nature when you plant them in your house or out in the house, the gardening, whatever.
Okay.
You can place there. So I'm originally in flowers.
Okay. And what type of stone is this?
This one is cobalt stone.
It's a hard stone or?
Yeah, it's a hard stone. It's a hard one.
Okay. And where is it coming from?
It's coming from Croatia.
Croatia.
Yes.
You prefer this type of stone or?
Yeah, I prefer the type of stone. It's good for me to carve with some flowers because it's good for the flowers.
Yeah.
It's very good one.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.